All right, we are doing a beach bag essentials boat ride beach bag. We switched over from our beach bag to our dry bag, and in it we have sunblock, which actually we're not taking this sunblock. I have my bronzer, not taking that either. Extra sunblock. We have to wear special sunblock that protects the sea life and the coral. So we have to stop and get that on our way. I have this for my hair, just to put it in it when it gets wet. Puts the moisture back in it. That's not your mother's Curl Talk. This is my sunscreen for my face that I just get from my esthetician, Melissa. Sanitizer, Visine, lip gloss with sunblock that Nat got me in my stocking a couple years ago for Christmas. 2 beach towels. Our leftover snacks that I packed in this and we brought from home. Let's see, we got some walnuts, almonds, cranberries. One of these is mayonnaise and mustard mix. Leftover olives and tomatoes, oranges and blueberries. Yeah, leftover turkey ham, and there's like 1 little piece of cheese in there. 2 pieces of kiwi. And this is stuff I just had in my fridge. Well, not this. I got this from the Continental Breakfast here at the place we're staying. It's a blueberry donut and a lemon poppy seed. And these are delicious, but they come in little triangles like that. So I'm taking that in case we get hungry on the boat ride home. It's 3 hours. 2 waters, our sunglasses. Anthony has his hat on. My O'Neill hat, our GoPro, our phones, the tripod, and we're ready to go. And I am wearing my cute little seashell necklace, this Billabong top, Billabong shorts,